Alright guys, I'm gonna make a real quick video. My car's got the notorious blower motor grinding and howling, and it makes all kinds of fucking noise. It's really loud. That's really common on these EKs from 96 to 2000. I think even the EGs. Basically, these cars are just getting old, and yeah, the bearings are going out in the blower motor. Let me show you how it sounds. It sounds pretty terrible. Yeah, sorry about that. And of course, it's like trying to load a CD or something when I'm trying to make a video. Would you shut up, please? Just stop. Be quiet. Okay. Yeah, at certain speeds, it's louder than others. But yeah, it's just really annoying. I mean, it still works, it still blows air out of the vents. It's just the fact that it's really loud, really annoying. I went ahead and got a new one off of Amazon. It was something like $28.99 or 30 bucks or something like that. I'll put a link in the description. If you click that, please purchase through that link. It helps me out if you use the link to actually purchase this item. Just go ahead and click the link, follow it, go to Amazon and get it from there. I'll find the best price. This one, yeah, it was like 30 bucks. It was pretty much the cheapest one on Amazon. But let's go ahead and install it real quick. It's really easy. There's only 3 8mm screws here, and there should be one. Okay, that is the third one. And let's see, you've got the plug here. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and turn the car off, remove the shitty blower motor, and install this new one, and fire it up and see how it performs, see if it's quiet and if it works. Okay, let's go ahead and fire it up and see if that annoying grinding, rattling sound is gone. I'll go ahead and go through the speeds one by one. Wow. Sorry for the mess. Got my OBD1 computer, my P28. Floor is disgusting. Car's a little neglected right now. But the blower motor's fixed. I believe the brand is TYC. Again, I'll throw a link in the description. Please purchase the blower motor through that link. It helps me out. And as far as the review for this blower motor, I mean, it's quiet. It works. I mean, what else could you want? And if you like this quick little video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.